Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is FIIO M21 and in this video I will unbox it and will share my first impressions with you guys, and then after proper testing I will review it as well. So let's unbox the parcel first. These are some cases which are provided by FIIO. And you know what, I was also very curious to know why this parcel is so big. So they have included this case as well, so that's very good. So here are the other two cases, and this is the M21 and it is a very heavy box, and it was available in two colors, the titanium gold and blue, but I didn't choose the blue color because of two reasons. Because the JM21 was in blue, so I wanted to differentiate a little bit, and the second reason was because I really liked the titanium gold, and this case was also in titanium gold color. So I think let me do a proper and a beautiful unboxing of this product, and then I will try to share my first impression with you guys, or maybe a review. So friends, welcome to my first impressions. As you can see that I have properly unboxed the FIIO M21, and this is the charging cable, and there are two instructions or warranty card, whatever it is, but it is reading manual, and this is a quick start guide, and this is our main product, FIIO M21 in golden color, which is absolutely beautiful, and it actually looks like a flagship material. And you know why I am so excited about this product is because this will be my first proper music player to test, and I will see how does it work, and what will be my experience with this product. You can see that the screen is very beautiful. I don't know what are the exact materials being used here, but it is looking very beautiful, and it is a 4.7 inch screen, and it is not too heavy, but I would say a little heavier than a normal smartphone. Yes, it is a little heavier than a normal smartphone, but it is very compact. That is very good, like a 4.7 inch, but the thickness is relatively high from the smartphones. So I will be very curious to see who will be the first brand in audiophile or hi-fi industry to make a slim and very portable, thin hi-fi music player. Because you can see that the smartphone brands, the top two brands, Samsung and Apple, are going for the slim phones as well. So I will be very happy. I think whoever brand tries the first slim portable music player will have the highest number of sales and popularity also. And right now there are no functions, but you can see that you get a secured case to the product as well, and it is made of silicone, and it is a proper genuine good case. So as far as the other cases are concerned, so these are the other cases, but I think this review should be the first impressions and a review video, and for the cases I think there should be a separate video, but I will think later about them and then I will post the video. And if you do not find the cases in this section, it means they'll probably be in my next video. So I am back after a very long time, and I will try to produce as much videos as possible for you guys, because I have a long list of products with me, and I will try to be consistent from now on. I hope it does sound natural and balanced and good, and then I will recommend it to you guys as well. So that's it. I will now test it. I think I will probably take at least 2 days to properly test it and make a review, but sometimes the review gets delayed a lot because I do not get a proper time to make the video. So that's it. I will meet you in my review section. Friends, welcome to my review section. So just like my previous review video, I won't go into the technical details because that would take too much time and there is no need of it. I'll summarize everything for you and provide you the user and experience from my side. I'm doing this review after 3 days only, and that tells you how much I was excited for this product, because you guys must have noticed that I haven't published any review videos in the last 3 months. And it's not because I didn't have any products to review. I have countless products to make videos. The reason was that first of all, I had a very busy life, and second thing was that I wasn't able to show interest in most of the products that were sent to me, because I received GM21 2 months ago, but I haven't unboxed it yet. So that tells you how things were going on back then. So I think let's remove its cover so that you can enjoy it more. So the pre-built case is actually very good in my opinion also, but you have to wait for my next review video to see all the other cases as well. Why it's not getting off? So it's a little tough. So you can clearly see that it's very tough to remove the pre-built case for me. So finally, so the golden color is just so beautiful, and the pre-built case is also very high quality. So this is fine, but if you want to upgrade more, you have to see my next video. So this is just pure beautiful device. So now what was I talking about? So as soon as I received M21, I unboxed it without any delay, and here I am doing review of it. So I hope I will continue to do the same with all products reviews. Now coming to the actual review of M21, I will directly go to its sound quality chapter. I am very happy because it has a balanced sound quality, very neutral, no extreme, no up or down, just original. That's the sound perfect for most devices and has acceptance from consumers also. It has a balanced sound, but it feels like the device is pushing it or boosting it more to give more detail and depth in the sound performance. You will definitely feel it. So for me, the sound is 100% perfect. Its sound level is 120, but I listen to it at 80 to 85 only through both wired and wirelessly. This means it has a lot of power. So overall, the listening experience was very great. As far as latency on this is concerned, it's fine through wired mode but not on Bluetooth. There is a clear difference and gap. You will definitely feel it. If you want to watch vocal videos on this wirelessly, then you will see its impact. Apart from this, I've only used it as normal mode, I mean casually, so I find its battery timing quite good. I don't know the exact hours detail, but I used it for a whole day from time to time regularly. Now I'm going to tell you what I like the most in this player. it is the screen of it. Believe me guys, it's so perfect. I watched a whole movie on this to enjoy myself and try to feel the different vibe here, as if I don't have my S24 Ultra or 16 Pro Max or Pixel, etc. The colors on the screen look very natural and are much better than my S24 Ultra for me. Apart from that, you can see that FIIO has perfectly managed to attach a screen protector to the device as well. The quality of the screen protector is very impressive and is attached very perfectly on the whole screen. Besides this, I haven't tested the desktop mode, so I have nothing to say about that. And it supports a memory card up to 2 TB, which is very impressive. You can have a proper universal library of music in this device. So the conclusion here is that this is a very good device. I really enjoyed so far, and of course it will take a lot of time to test this device properly, and then a real customer review can be made. But anyway, this is it for now. I've seen a lot of music players but wasn't interested in them, but the FIIO is the brand that makes very elegant and proper music players, and M21 is really the best looking so far. It's so beautiful. Now I will move on to my recommendation segment, and this is the most important part of my video. Its official price is $300 US, but I want to make sure you get this product as low as possible on the value side. So I will provide you the discount codes in the top of the description, which are valid for all the products on AliExpress in almost countries. And as far as the cases are concerned, I will share the video separately, so you have to watch my next video as well, and then I will unbox these cases, so wait for my next video. That's it. This is a very perfect device and I recommend it 100%. Don't forget to like this video and must use the discount codes I have provided in the description.